Welcome designers. In this video I'm going to show you how to make these sparkles in Silhouette Studio. You see I put them in different places, put them here. Yeah, I put them on the name too. I'll show you how to create them in Silhouette Studio. It's very easy. First thing you do, you go to your images here, your shapes, and you take this one, and then you draw one. Okay, here you can make the tail larger. Okay, and here you can make it bigger, fatter. See that? Or make it smaller. And with this one, when you drag on this one, it will make all the stars. You see that? Okay, let's do it. Let's keep it on here. And I will right click and convert it to pad. And I will fill it in with the color and take the stroke off. And here we have it. The only thing we do is make it smaller. And then place it. And place it over your work. Place it over your work. And there you have it.